The Lemoyne Community Center in Washington County is making a huge impact on the children they serve with healthy activities, supporting and nutrition during after-school and summer programs. Now some big companies are giving them a big boost. I'm joined now by Lemoyne Executive Director JOYCE ELLIS, along with Rich Walton of Noble Environmental and EDGAR Miranda of Cigna Foundation, here with some exciting news about a big grant to support programs at the Lemoyne Center.
Yes.
We are so happy to have you here, and I really want to get into what you're doing at the Lemoyne Center, because you gave up your calling, your job initially to do this.
Yeah, I got an auditable call from God to give up my dance studio of 40 years.
Wow.
And to change hundreds of thousands of youth lives, and it did not make sense. The place he called me to was abandoned. It was being inhabited by drug dealers and prostitutes, and it didn't make sense. There was no programming, no children, and I didn't know where to start.
But you did. You started, and look at what it's become now. Tell us what you're doing there.
Well, right now we have an after-school program, and we have about 120 kids that come after school from kindergarten to high school. And it's called Homework and More because we want them to learn more about the homework. If you just do their homework, they don't have a comprehension of how to complete their homework. So the test scores have gone up. The grades have gone up. Graduation, kids graduating from high school, going to college, been phenomenal. Then in the summer, we run a summer program with the NutriFit, and we feed close to 700 to 800 kids a day.
Wow.
Throughout Washington County. We take the rural areas, areas that people didn't want to go into, but these kids needed to eat. We recognize that the crime rate came down significantly, more than 50%.
That's unbelievable.
And yes, and we knew that it was, if you make the healthy choice of eating, then the kids are going to respond different. And that's what we did. So our food is very healthy. And then we created a program around the NutriFit.
Well, that's fantastic, Joyce, what you're doing, but it's not free to do all of that. And you've been able to find some great partners, including Noble Environmental. And so, Rich, I want to bring you into this discussion. Tell us why you decided to support the Lemoyne Center.
Yeah, I was trying to find a way to be more active in the community. You know, my family and I are from here, and we service the community, and we have an energy facility, and we have waste facilities and a hauling company, and I just try to find ways to give back, and in meeting some friends, I found out about JOYCE, and I was like, this is someone I feel like I could really get behind. So we sat down with her, and she's an amazing woman. The things that she's doing in terms of the impact is just incredible. I was telling the story about how I had a meeting with some engineers afterwards, and I ended up ditching them and spending the whole afternoon with her. So I think we were just trying to find a way to be able to contribute. And in terms of impact in the community, I mean, you've heard it. I mean, she's amazing. Well,
so Noble Environmental turns waste into energy, and you have kind of instilled some new, fresh energy with this huge grant. And so let's talk about what this grant is going to be able to do and how much it is.
Yeah, we one of the things that JOYCE was doing, probably 6 or 7 people's jobs, and she she's essentially like a public activist entrepreneur. She was willing to like stake her own money and risk herself to make the world a better place. And I said to her, well, it seems like you've built a great platform. Why don't you try and take that to the next level? I think one of the ways that you should be doing that is having a real professional grant writing program. So I hired a professional grant writer for her and said, hey, there's really good foundations out there that are looking to support people like yourself. That kind of brings us here. Yeah.
Right.
And so this announcement was made on Christmas Eve. Is that right?
It was.
And so how much is the grant for?
The grant's for $100,000.
On life-changing. And so why Lemoyne?
It's real simple. It's more than just giving a child a healthy meal, nourishment for that day. That's a wonderful thing, and it gives them a sense of well-being and security and springs them forward, which is terrific. But when we started searching the local area for nonprofits to partner with, and then we became familiar with what Lemoyne was doing, they made the choice really very simple.
Yeah.
They're doing tremendous work, and for us, it's really an honor to support the work that they're doing, not just today, but every single day. So it was a very simple decision for Cigna Foundation.
$100,000. How is that going to help the kids that you're serving?
Well, first of all, it's going to help us to expand to get to people who we couldn't get to.
Right.
And last year we had 4 communities and they wanted to feed the kids. We had no resources, we had no personnel, and it's also going to give me a chance to hire people.
Which is great, because you can't be doing the job of 7 people
Well, you can, the volunteers, you can count them for as long as you can count them. Some days they're good and some days they're not. But I was traveling to Burgettstown, which is 50 minutes out, having to turn around and go back to Denora, which is another 50 miles out, So one day I'm traveling like 150 miles just to take food and to do the connection.
What a great community partnership here to help so many people. Thank you all for being here. And our thanks to today's guests for being with us and to Noble Environmental for sponsoring today's segment.